I used to call it chemistry. The way my stomach dropped when he didn't text back. The way I felt most alive right before I felt most anxious. I thought that was passion. I didn't know passion wasn't supposed to feel like holding my breath. It took me a long time to notice. I was never at peace with him. Not once. Not even on the good days. And somewhere along the way, I'd started mistaking a racing heart for a safe one. Not every spark is safe to stand near. Some chemistry is just chaos wearing a nice outfit. Real connection feels calm before it feels exciting. If you feel anxious more than you feel at ease, that isn't passion. That's a warning. Love should not require you to hold your breath. I know the difference now. I wish I'd known it sooner. Save this. And when you're ready, we'll be here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.